What's up, guys? Today we'll be giving ourselves tier gen 8 in Roblox Bedwars. Now let's get straight into the video.
Get strong.
Yeah, tier gen 8 is the best generator, I think, in my opinion. I mean, tier gen 0, the number looks pretty cool, but it's not like as cool, you know? Okay, so basically how this strategy works is we're all being bounty hunter, and we're gonna get like upgrade our generator, right, to give ourselves more materials. We're also gonna get enchantment table and get plunder, so we can steal other people's loot, and yeah. So that's how the strategy's gonna work. That's also yours. Okay, I get another one if I can find one. Hey, that's mine. I called it. I told you. Oh, this one's mine. And I got a scythe. Haha. I have a nice. Oh wait, we have enough to. Yeah, I'm good. Tactical. Let's go. How is this? Oh my god, stop. Wait, how do you escape? Hey. Where'd you go? Ow, 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 I'm low. Ow, I'm low, I'm low. Ow, 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 spaghetti. Dude, I just died with my scythe. Freaking banana peels, man. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm buying that. Okay, and where? Okay, I'm getting an enchantment. I'm coming. I have anti-knockback too. Plunder 2, I got plunder 2. Okay, this is the enchantment that I need. I got plunder. Okay, so now I do have. Oh, that's actually good. You probably should keep that. Ow! Why did that do so much damage? That's a shot and a half if I've ever seen it. Give me your iron, boy. Come here. Dude, he's literally, this kid is just jumping over me, my target. Oh my god, I'm lagging. I'm making something. I died with everything. It's this green kid. It's pin G. I don't know, GG. I don't know, something like that. Yes. Yes. Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Oh, got it. Thanks. Hello. Okay, I finally got plunder 2. That's how I got plunder. Come here, boy. Come here. Yeah. Got him. Oh my god, what a shot. Guys, you guys need 1,100 iron? Yes, I have it. Oh my gosh, dude, I went on a killing spree. I killed both of the green kids. I just killed this kid over the void with a bow shot. Tor blade. I just spent my okay, this is basically lost my ammo. Look out, Evan. Dodo, mine. Oh, sorry. He's the last person. He's dead. I don't have any more balloons actually. Think? No, he made it. Not. I see him. He's on the map. He's gonna die. Oh my god. Oh my god, lag. Got him! Let's go! I got the kill. Dude, I killed almost all of the green people, dude. Okay. That's all for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like this, leave a like and subscribe. It's free. And if you don't like it, then subscribe still because it's still free. And we'll see you guys in the next one.